Yo, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? I know it's been a while. It is day, I believe, 5 on the cruise. The last thing would have filmed would have been day 3, which would have been Croatia. We've been in 2 places in Greece, and in all honesty, they were snooze fest, which is why I did not record. I didn't take pictures, or a whole lot of pictures. More just some meme ones for my Instagram. But I wanted to make a room tour video since I haven't shown you what this place looks like yet. So we're filming on the Canon, on the big camera, so really we're gonna start from the door. So when you first enter, the first thing you see to your right is some coat hooks that fold up. We have my dad's jacket on there. You've got the AC to the main living room compartment, a makeup and do not disturb, as well as the key card where you have to, if I unplug it, boom, all the lights turn off, power goes out, everything, put it back in, everything turns on, and you're first greeted with the living room. So, you turn to your right, you got a mirror. Hi, this is where we put like our stuff that we want them to take back. So like every day they drop off some kind of fancy like cheese platters, chocolate covered strawberries, chocolate chip cookies, something along those lines for being in the Haven, which is like their little bougie suite, as well as drinks we don't want. This was supposed to be from day 1 where they fill it with ice and champagne, but they never done it, so we haven't touched it. You get a little small dining room table. So immediately to your left, you will see, your coffee. We've taken all the stuff that you have to pay for. So like these sparkling waters, this bottled water. This one should be free, but we got the sink as well as they always come and fill this up every day. So new pitcher full of ice water as well as ice, salt and pepper, as well as your dishware for the espresso and the champagne and that kind of stuff. So yeah, got extra glasses, got plenty of storage space. Mom keeps some of her extra candy in there. And this one, we've got our mini fridge, which we've only filled up with the free stuff, as well as like the cream and sugar stuff that they give you for the espresso. And I don't even remember what's in there, nothing of importance. Keep going, you've got your TV, more storage space, as well as like a little work table. So they also give you 2 or 3 COVID masks depending on how many people are staying in your suite. More storage up above. You've got your couch and your little coffee table. So I'm not gonna try to act like this room is clean because we've lived in it for about 5 days. But you come here, you've got your balcony to the outside world. If I turn it, I don't even think there's lights out here. There we go. All the humidity just caused everything to change. We've got 2 tables as well as a little coffee table and that beautiful ocean. We'll just get back in here, close that up, and then yeah, that's the outside. Got blinds, or sorry, curtains, keep it shady. Got some nice artwork on the walls. You've got your main landline phone to call the butler, concierge, stuff like that. If we come in here, we've got the parents' room. So yep, this is where they stay. Got a nice backlit wall with a full-size mirror, their TV, all their drawer space. Got a secret compartment in here where we keep like some of like our carry-ons. Again, more backlit. They got a phone in here, 2 lamps, as well as a directional light on both. Plenty of storage space for like all their medicines and stuff. Hair dryer, built-in makeup mirror with different settings, say free cotton balls, stuff like that. Me again, and a little curtain that takes you into the bathroom where you've got their toilet, and their shower. And both their shower, when that is up, actually looks out into the ocean, as well as their bathtub again looks out into the ocean, and it is one-way glass. So looking out, you can see everything clear as day. Looking in, can't see a thing. His and her sinks, again, more storage space. Big old mirror, literally if I go like this, probably 6 foot wide mirror, and it's probably like 4 or 5 feet tall. So yeah, that's the master bedroom on this boat. And then going back towards the door, you have my room. So this is a suite that has basically like a children's bedroom on it. So first thing you see is your little light switch. You've got the table here where I've got all my crap, like my portable chargers, phone charger, my laptop, my PS Vita. So looking straight, you've got the door to my bathroom, as well as that curtain hides all of the life jackets for the room. You've got my TV. So if we come over here, we've got a nice little tiered triangle shelving unit built into the wall where I put like my socks, underwear. Mom lately need out like all my GoPros, my cameras will sit here. Got nothing up there. Got a little closet. So these are all my hangers from home. I got all my shoes. I got my black Yeezy 350 carbons, 3 pairs of Sparrows, white, tan, and blue. I've got some of my remaining clothes still left. Got some like other shirts and stuff down here on the ground. And then this is the couch that they convert into a bed. Really, they just put a mattress topper on the couch, as then put the, the blankets, bottom sheet, pillows, as well as up here there is actually a bed that can come out of the ceiling, which is what that ladder is for. Turn it into a bunk bed. Got a nice piece of artwork here. Got a lamp. And then again, full-size mirror built into the door of the bathroom. Open up, and I've got my own private bathroom, which is nice. You know, they got the built-in hands-up dispenser, glasses for whatever reason. So, you know, they give you like a loofah, shower cap, some nice, what's that? Let's see if I can get the focus. I don't even know how you pronounce that, but body wash, conditioner, stuff like that. My own toilet and my own shower with a removable head, as well as something that my parents don't have. I'm pretty sure they don't have the place to put your foot, as well as built-in dispensers for built-in body wash and then conditioner and shampoo 2-in-1. I have my own stuff, but I've really just been using theirs because why open this, you know? Every day if they don't see the loofah, they will give you a new one. So this was the one I've had since day one, and they gave me another one. And then again, mirror, sink, tissues, toilet paper, so a brush to clean your toilet, and trash can. But yeah, I mean, doing a room tour on a cruise ship isn't very long of a video, but I mean, it is what it is. This is what I've got. This is what I'm working with. I also got some hangers, so got my jacket up there, and my mom gave me one of their robes. My dad won't wear his. So yeah, I mean, I know this isn't the most exciting thing, but I still need to make content for you guys since, you know, I didn't do anything. I didn't film anything these last 2 days, so if you want to see what I did these first 2 days in Greece, then feel free to check out my Instagram, My Life Ronnie. You'll see it in the end card anyway, as well as in the description down below. But this has been the room tour of, yeah, this is our room. I mean, really don't know what else to tell you. Either way, ladies and gentlemen, I will see you guys later. Peace. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit that subscribe button and also leave a like. It just makes my self-confidence go up. If you want to follow me on my second channel to see gaming videos and a little bit more off content that you're not going to see on this channel, feel free to follow me on my second channel right up here. If you want to follow me on Snapchat, be a part of my close friend group, you can follow me up here. Or if you want to follow me on my any other socials, if you want to see my photography, right down here. Or if you just want to see any random things I tweet, right down here in this corner. Either way, ladies and gentlemen, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.